controller drift can significantly affect your gameplay in Overwatch 2. Here is a simple guide to help you enhance your gaming experience by addressing controller drift issues. Step 1. Check for hardware issues. Inspect your controller for any physical damage or debris. Clean the analog sticks gently with compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any dirt that may be causing drift. Step 2. Adjust dead-zone settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Adjust the dead-zone settings for your analog sticks to minimize the impact of drift. A larger dead zone can help prevent unintended movements. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or the console settings for any available updates that could improve performance and reduce drift. Step 4. Use calibration tools. Some consoles and PCs offer calibration tools for controllers. Use these tools to recalibrate your controller, which can help correct any drift issues by resetting the analog stick center position. Step 5. Consider replacement options. If the drift persists by troubleshooting, it may be time to consider replacing the controller. Research options that are known for durability and minimal drift issues to enhance your overall gaming experience. By following these steps, you can effectively address controller drift and improve your gameplay in Overwatch 2. Happy gaming!